Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to explain the simplification of complex spectra by using SIP reagent. In the last video, we have already focused the simplification of this complex spectra by using high magnetic field strength. Friends, in the some NMR spectra, the chemical shape of the protons are very close to each other. At that time, the peak of such a proton are merged to each other and gives complex in nature of the spectra. Therefore, such a spectra are not useful because accurate information of chemical shape and multiplicity are not obtained. Therefore, it is necessary to by using SIP reagent and to convert the complex spectra into first order spectra, means second order spectra converted into first order spectra. Friends, generally europium beta dicarbonyl complex are used as a SIP reagent, or praseodymium beta dicarbonyl compound are used as a SIP reagent because europium and praseodymium are easily from the complex with the hetero atoms because they are acts as a mild Lewis acid and easily attack on the basic site. The attacking order is NH2 is more than OH, more than carbonyl, more than single bonded oxygen, more than ester, more than cyanide. Friends, the olefin and aromatic compound are not used in the SIP reagent because they cannot be from the complex with the lanthanide element or ions. Friends, generally europium complex which has a SIP reagent. The R may be tertiary butyl groups. If R is a tertiary butyl group, then structure of the SIP reagent are like this. The name of this compound is tris 2,2,6,6 tetramethyl 3,5 hepta dianoto europium plus 3. Friends, if R is a CF2CF2CF3, then name of complex is europium FOD thrice and structure is like this. Friends, in europium complex, the oxidation number of europium is plus 3. Therefore, it is paramagnetic in nature. The spin of the ampere electron acts as another magnetic field and it is aligned with the induced magnetic field. Therefore, this linkage takes place and chemical shift is increases, that is chemical shift to the down field. Friends, by using praseodymium complex, the structure of the praseodymium complex like this. The name of this compound is 3,6,6,7,7,8,8,8 heptafluoro 2,2 dimethyl 3,5 octane dianoto praseodymium plus 3 oxidation state. In case of praseodymium complex, the reverse situation is take place as compared to europium complex because the spin of the ampere electron acts as another magnetic field. It is opposing with the induced magnetic field of the sample. Hence, shielding is take place and chemical shift shifted to the up field, that the chemical shift is decreases. By using chiral SIP reagent, then we can also measure the proportion of the enantiomer in the racemic mixture, means how much amount of one enantiomer are present in the given mixture. The generally chiral SIP reagent as a europium TF3 thrice. The long form of this compound is tris 3,2,2,2 trifluoro 1 hydroxy ethylene decamphorate europium plus 3. Enantiomer are not differentiated by simple NMR spectra, but they can be differentiated by using SIP reagent. Generally, SIP reagent which has a minus form, then they can be from the complex with the racemic mixture, that is plus minus gives plus minus and minus minus gives minus minus. The plus minus and minus minus isomers are the diisomers to each other. The physical and chemical property of diisomers are the different. Therefore, proportion of the diisomers are determined according to their intensity ratio and that give the proportion of the enantiomers. Friends, this is the spectra of the N-hexagonal. The peak of the CH2, that is 4 CH2 are merged to each other from CH2 number 2 to CH2 number 5. Therefore, that is complex in nature. But such spectra are taken with SIP reagent like europium DPM3. then they can be resolved and used well, that is first order spectra. In this case, the peak of the HCS2 are well separated. Therefore, it is more useful spectra because OS is from the compress with the arrow PM. And go to the downfield. Friends, the chemical shift is shifted if by using shift reagent. But how much amount of chemical shift is shifted? They can be calculated by using following formula, that is delta dip equal to K into 3 cos square V minus 1 upon R cube. R is the distance between the paramagnetic ligand L and nucleus are being observed, either S1 or carbon 13. The friends, V is the angle between the R and oxygen through shift reagent. Therefore, from this formula, easily concluded that the shift decreases is inversely proportional to the R cube. The value of shift is independent on the nuclei being observed. The shift can be positive or negative depending on the value of 3 cos square V minus 1 is either greater than or less than 0. The friends, generally paramagnetic material used as a shift reagent, but all paramagnetic material are not used as a shift reagent because the paramagnetic material use the line broadening and because the having short realization time. Therefore, copper, nickel or D block compress cannot be used as a shift reagent because it gives line broadening. But lanthanide ions not use line bonding and shift is take place. Hence, lanthanide ions are more useful as compared to D block ions by using shift reagent. Thank you so much. In the next video, I will focus on the simplification of the compress spectra by using spin decoupling experiment and nuclear enhancement.